Hey, thanks for coming. I'm Ken Krell. I'm the founder and chief creative officer of AmazingDigitalEvents.com, and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is the place where you're going to find tools, tips, strategies, and fun all about how you can create and produce your own ridiculously irresistible digital events that'll generate wealth, transform lives, and hopefully change your lifestyle to one where you are having the time of your life. You know, I have been on the stage for over 40 years all over the planet, and I will tell you that while the pandemic has caused us to reevaluate the way we run our own events and how we interact with others on a global fashion, going digital has been the best thing I have ever done. Began it in the year 2009, by the way. And I'll tell you that while I miss hugging people and giving people back rubs in the back of the meeting rooms when I used to do physical events all over the world, I can tell you that the ability to run an event from my couch, for example, from my dining room table, and from anywhere I want on the planet, and still make the same, if not a bigger impact, is the most powerful thing I've ever seen. And I want you to experience that and understand how you can do that for yourself, to be able to create a global presence that is something that you could never have done on a physical basis. So this channel is for you. You'll be seeing all sorts of clips from years past when I was doing other things on into the future, where you will understand how you can produce your own events without worrying about massive amounts of technology, from your couch with the camera and a light. And that's all there is to it. So enjoy the channel. Feel free to leave comments and suggestions for what we can do to further along your education. Come join us for some of the events that we do. Our signature event is called Pride. It stands for Produce Ridiculously Irresistible Digital Events that Generate Wealth. It happens periodically, and you may find an ability to get tickets somewhere here on the channel as well. And in the meantime, enjoy the channel and consider how you can use what you're learning here to transform the lives of those you come in contact with. Enjoy.